1957 Ford Thunderbird D-Code convertible. Price, $18,750. Location, San Antonio. The 1957 Ford Thunderbird D-Code convertible stands as one of the most iconic expressions of mid-century American automotive design. Finished in a timeless colonial white exterior paired with a striking red and white interior, this baby bird captures the spirit of open-air cruising like few cars ever could. It's not just a car, it's a statement of style, freedom, and an era when driving was as much about experience as it was about destination. The design language of this Thunderbird is instantly recognizable. From the subtle tail fins to the sculpted hood scoop and chrome accents, every detail contributes to a balanced and elegant profile. The rear fender skirts add a touch of sophistication, while the bright chrome bumpers reflect the golden age of American motoring. This is a car that doesn't try to hard, it simply looks right from every angle. Under the hood, the D-Code 312 cubic inch V8 engine delivers smooth, confident power. Paired with an automatic transmission and a 4-barrel carburetor, it offers a driving experience that feels both relaxed and responsive. Power steering enhances comfort behind the wheel, making this classic surprisingly enjoyable even by modern standards. It's that invites you to cruise rush. Step inside, and the cabin continues the vintage charm. The bench seating, classic 3-spoke steering wheel, and analog clock bring you straight back to the 1950s. Manual windows and push-button radio controls maintain authenticity, while subtle details like the fender-mounted antenna and driver's side mirror complete the period-correct aesthetic. Everything inside feels purposeful, simple, and beautifully nostalgic. As the final and most refined year of the first-generation Thunderbird, 1957 holds a special place in automotive history. It also marked the highest sales year for this early model, solidifying its legacy. While this particular example could benefit from cosmetic refinement, it remains mechanically sound and full of potential, making it an appealing entry point into classic car ownership. The 1957 Thunderbird isn't just a collectible, it's an experience. Whether parked at a show or cruising under the open sky, it delivers a sense of timeless cool that modern cars simply can't replicate.